Hey guys, okay, so it's Jonathan. Today we have the from 2 plus, and then in absolute values, 2x minus 3, absolute value, equals x plus 4. So what we're gonna do is, since this is an absolute value form, we'll just kind of leave that behind. Just work with the 2 and the x plus 4. So since there's no x right here, but there is a 4, we'll subtract the 2, and put it over here. So that'll give us 2, and then plus x equals 2x minus 3. Okay. And then with absolute values, there's there are two ways to write, or there are two different answers that you can get. There can be a positive or negative answer. So what what we'll do is, since the, so the side that doesn't have the absolute value, we will have one that will look like this, and then we will also have one where it will be 2x minus 3 equals, and it's kind of like negative, and then we're kind of just distributing the negative out. Those 2. So for the positive one, we would add 3 right here. We're doing it both ways. You don't really need the absolute value there, but yeah, plus 3 and plus 3 over here, and we'll just do the same with the x. Since we want x to be on one side of it, and the one without the variable, we'll put that on the other side. So we want to subtract x, and we just get x. You know, I 1x and x is kind of just like the same thing. It's just a little bit more easier. So this will cross out, so we don't need that. So equation sign. And then this would also cross out, and we get 2 plus 3, which is 5. So x equals 5 is the first one. And then what you would do is you would distribute the negative. So it would be negative x, and then all the way over here. So it would make it negative x minus 2, and equals negative 3 and 2x. And then what you would do is we would do the same thing. We do plus 3 over here, plus 3. That would give us positive 1. And then, yeah, we put a plus right there, positive. And then we have negative x. And then we put the equal sign right here. And we have 2x. So it would look like this right now. And then we do the same thing as we did. We would subtract the x and put it on to the side. So then we add x from here and add right over here. So plus x. It's also the same as saying 2x plus 1x, which gives us 3x, then equals 1. And then we want to get x by itself. So you would divide by 3, and you would get x equals, or yeah, no, so just be x equals 1/3. And then what you would want to do is you want to plug this or these two answers, and you would want to plug it in for x, or so where it says x in the original equation, you want to plug these numbers in, and if it gives you the what the answer is over here, then you know that it does work, and if it does not, um, then it just, it's not factorable in there. So so yeah, those are the two answers. Make sure that you plug them back in for where it says x. So it would be right here and right here. So you plug in 5 right there, and you multiply that, and then you add 5, and then you also put 5 right here. So yeah, that's how you do it. So thank you guys so much.